Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, April 8th. Hope you guys having a great day so far. Kind of a light day today. We got one item here on the economic news, and that's the factory orders. So January it went up 0.1%. Forecast for February is coming for a 0.5% drop, and it did drop a 0.5%. Now, what they're showing is that manufacturing is still relatively strong, but the manufacturers are also getting a little more cautious about where things are going, especially when they see on a global level where the economies are moving. So they're still growing, but they're basically saying they're being a little bit more cautious as we go along into 2019 here. Let's take a look here at the headline news. Stock market is down. There's pretty much it's just taking a break from the all the ups we had last week. The stock market was going really well. It was like in the news on progress being made between the U.S. and China trade talks, and that's pretty much where we're at with things. Right now, we're still waiting on Brexit. Brexit has I believe this week, the 12th deadline. Right now, they're trying to see if they can maybe postpone it. So, and waiting on the EU and Britain as to which route they're going to go. So that will be probably big news this week to find out if they're going to kick the can down the road further or if they're just going to make the hard divorce and make the decision to move forward. So let's see how this is affecting the bond market. And the bond market's up a little bit. It's not much change from up 3 basis points from Friday. So mortgage rates haven't changed at all. 10-year Treasury is still hanging about 2.51 here in that range. So not much change in that terms either. So today's again stocks for the most part taking a little bit of a breather. Yields and mortgage-backed securities, not much movement there as of yet. All right, folks, you guys have a great rest of your day. Again, mortgage rates are unchanged today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.